All right, so this is the Everydrop refrigerator ice and water filter. It's gonna go on this Whirlpool right here. And it goes in down here at the very bottom, right down there. We have to unscrew that one and pull it out. If you look, I got the red mark. It's telling me change it. So about every 6 months, you gotta change them. So we gotta get it out of the box first. All right, so let's go ahead and pop it out. It shouldn't be too hard, right? Man. Woo! You see that? That's something you don't see it often. Why would it? Oh, because it's hot. That is weird. Well, let's go ahead and put it in. let's try it. See what happens. So I'm gonna put this one right here and pay attention to the way this is. I'm gonna turn this, and it's hard to turn, man. Let me tell you. This does not turn easy. There we go. Once I got it fully turned, I should be able to just pull it out. You would think I should be able to. There we go. That was a nightmare. Right, look at the attitude of it, right? That sucker's gonna drip. So let's pop that off. Let's put this one on. Just like that. Come on now. I'm trying to do it with one hand and film with the other. It's not being cooperative. Set it just like that. Then we'll stick this right on there. Boop. Boop, boop, be-doo. Okay, we're good. All right, so now let's shove her in like that. And then we gotta twist it. That's in. Then we gotta clean up our mess. This is the old one. Yeah, that's the old one. Shit. Not sure if I put the right one in or not. All right, so let's clean up that mess. All right. Now, so if this was the old one, some water would come out of it, right? Oh yeah, that's definitely the old one. All right, let's throw that there. Now, if you look here, it tells you that once you reset the filter, all right, filter indicator reset, push light switch 5 times, and in 10 seconds to reset the indicator and to turn this green. All right, so we got to go 5 times. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we'll shut it. Now we'll open it. It's green. All right, now I got to drain some water out of there. Because you know what? Get this, I'll use this. Pull this off here. All right. Let's go ahead and we'll just drain some water out of here. There we go. Just want to get some water through the filter. Okay, I think that's good. I think we got enough out of there. All right. Okay, let's go ahead and shut this for now. That's not dripping, so we're good. I hope. Bam. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos.